But this is a candy cane booty band. Oh, these are so cute. Hey beauties, welcome back for another video. I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to do a last minute holiday gift guide for you or the loved ones who will be starting a new health and fitness journey in the new year. Okay, this first batch of gifts is going to be home workout equipment. So first thing I'm suggesting here is a set of tube bands. These are lightweight, they're easy to store. If someone is new to exercise, these are gonna be a perfect gift to get them started with home workouts without cluttering up their house. And it comes with a little door anchor, and it comes with 3 sets of resistance. So you've got a 10-pound set, a 20-pound set, and a 30-pound set. This is really great for upper body work. When 2020 happened, this was one of the first things I purchased, just so that I can have something to work with from home. I highly recommend. Second item, a good quality yoga mat. My favorite yoga mat is from Gaia. I tell you, I bought this mat in 2017 when I first started my business. When I started travel training, I was training people in their homes. I was doing boot camps at different gyms. I was doing some employee health and wellness stuff, and I was teaching classes. I had this mat was permanently stationed in my trunk, and it has gone through hell and high water, and it is still in perfect condition. I purchased other mats in the past. They have not held up like this mat has. Nothing has withstood the test of time like this Gaia mat. Nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. Okay, my third home fitness gift, hear me out as to why I think this is a great gift, but this is a candy cane booty band. While the relevance of this gift might not necessarily be there by the time your recipient gets this, this is still a really cute Christmas gift that they will love but wouldn't necessarily buy for themselves, right? Like, who's gonna buy a candy cane Santa glute band because you can only use this for like a month out of the year? I do think that it's still a good gift because I think they'll love it, and I think they'll use it in holiday seasons to come. I recommend when you guys order bands, just in general, whether you're ordering for yourself or someone else, if you're someone who's on the thicker side, like myself, I recommend that you order the light to medium resistance band. Why? Because the resistance is relative. The resistance is based on how much work you have to do to get this band open. If you can barely get this band over your thighs, you're gonna be pushing against a lot of resistance to get this band open, right? I barely got this over my thighs. So light to medium resistance is totally fine if you're thick, okay? Now, if you're really crunched for time and you don't have time to order those fabric resistance bands, I recommend just going on Amazon and getting a set of resistance bands. Now, these I got from Fabletics, and they're so pretty pinks and purples. But I do like these when you have to do resistance work that requires a greater range of motion, because you're not going to have a full range of motion with the fabric resistance bands just because there's so much resistance there. But with these, you can really push these bands open. If you're doing something like standing lateral leg lift, you're doing some type of kickback work, these will work better for that. I'll link some similar ones from Amazon in the description box below. So that's the home workout equipment that I recommend for people who are just starting out. They're trying to build out their home gym. So that's it for my holiday gift guide. Most of these items came from Amazon, and I have linked those items in the description box below, okay? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. These are all new concepts for me in fitness, so I would love your feedback. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can always get fit by Chris. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.